Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today, for today, Saturday, it's the last day of November. Sorry, my dog is so noisy. And for today, we're going to unpack our package. Anong package? Basta, pinadala po ng aking ate sa Baguio and from here in Daklan, Bocod. And just a little story, guys. To be honest, kanina, sabi ko, uh, maliligo ako. Pero, nung napunta ako sa messenger and then, nakita ko yung, nag-chat yung classmate friend ko. Tapos, sabi niya, hey, your package is here. And sabi ko, oh, wait. Sabi ko kasi, baka ito, dumating doon sa Ambangig. And, yung friend ko na yun, na classmate ko, is from Carao sa Carao. And, baka, nagtatambay sila sa Ambangig. Tapos, nag-chat siya. Tapos, sabi ko, sino magpapadala niyan? Tapos, sabi niya, ako. Ay, siya daw. Tapos sabi ko, oh, thank you so much. And then, nag-chat kami kung saan siya. Tapos yun, nung makita ko na siya at nakita ko tong parcel, ba't ang hirap matanggal ito? Wait lang. Dada ako ng dada dito. Wala pa tayong makikitang package dito. Wait lang. Mag-isa ko po kasi dito sa bahay. Yeah. Yun, successful. And yes, you can already see it, what's inside of it. Yeah, it's Jollibee. So, moving on to the story, is, hindi ko alam kung, medyo close ko siya. Tapos, yun, binigay niya sa akin to. And, of course, I was thankful kasi he is encouraged to na ipadala ito sa akin sa bahay namin. Baka ang bangig to here siya pinadala. So, I'm thankful. So, yan. Wait lang. This is the fries. My favorite. It's the fries. Nag-order ako ng 5 na medium fries. Kaya heto. Ay. Bye! May pang lunch tayo. Ang ingay ng mga aso kasi ang daming lumalabas ay dumadaan dito sa bahay namin na kapitbahay namin kasi. This is the 8 pieces of chicken. Jollibee. Joy. Oh. And then, lagay muna natin. Yan bang. And look what is in here. I know, hindi pala makita. Yung spaghetti. Yung spaghetti. And then, the peach mango pie. Hindi ako thankful ng maayos doon sa classmate ko no yun. Dapat binigyan ko pa ng ganito kasi I'm thankful that pinadala niya dito sa bahay namin. And hindi ko nga alam kung paano niya nalaman kung saan bahay namin. Hindi ko siya masyado close pero parang in the middle. So, yun. Stop muna sa dada. Charis. Joke lang. So, next up is this one is in-order ko po sa aking lovely tita. Nandito yung in-order ko. Malamang. So, next up, ang dami po nating items dito. So, next is, what's this? Sweet lemon waffle. Yan. Para siyang waffle, pero para siyang cookies. I think, but I never tried this before. So, of course, we're going to try this. Kasi, of course, why not naman? Okay, hindi ko alam kung anong i-start ko dito. Ang dami. So, ito. KitKat! Ba. Maybe maybe I'm gonna share this or give some of this sa friend na pinagsasabihan ko kanina. And this is my phone case. My new phone case kasi ang sira ko yung phone case ko po. Promise. Yes. And I know it's black pero mas maganda na din kung mag-buy ka ng bagong new case, diba? And then, eto, not just one, but two. Not just two, it's three. Not just three, it's just four. Four cookies because I love cookies with chocolate chips on it. Yes. I never tried this before pero of course sa picture pa lang gusto ko na. Nice. Diba? So yan, apat yung kinuha ko kasi more worth it kung iisa lang yung kukunin mo. Diba? And ano na to? Hindi ko alam kung ano na to. Pero, we'll open it later, maybe. Yan, dyan muna siya. And, another cookie. Yes, I love cookies. So, this one is white chocolate and cranberry cookies. Say ning ning ning. And, I think this is the last one. And this is soft muffin cookies. Muffin style with soft cookies with cranberries. Parang siyang, excuse me, same dito. Pero, yeah, it's still the same. Then, wait lang. So, I'm back. Yes, kumuha po ako ng scissors para natin i-open. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today, hindi ninyo muna makikita ang aking face. But, let's organize my cookies and stocks. So first off is this soft muffin cookies with muffin style stuffed cookies with cranberry. Yan. Lagay natin yan dito. And then next up is this white chocolate cranberry cookies in New York's. Same of this pero sabi niya dito is muffin style but I don't believe it, Charles. Joke lang. Maybe. Kasi, look at the picture of it. It's like a cookie size. Yan. But it's important is meron. And next up is this Kit Kat matcha flavor. I love matcha. Let's put it over there. And then, next up is this. I think this is gummy or candy. Wait lang. Cavendish Harvard Mixed Fruit Selection. Yan, lagay natin dyan. And then, my favorite, chocolate cookies. Put it over there. And another here. 1, 2. And then, 3. And then, 4. Yan. And then, last one is this sweet lemon waffle. Yan. So, yan. And ito po yung my last video is this one. Milkins original flavor. Still, meron pa akong ganito. And I have one last spam luncheon meat. Yes. So I think that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.